Oh, really?
So that's what they're known for.
So what is that you said?
He's a saddlebred.
A saddlebred.
And this is a Trakehner cross.
A Trakehner cross. How do you know the difference?
A lot of it's conformation, the bloodlines, how they're built. He's got a different shaped head and a different shaped head carriage. His body's got a different conformation. He's got a long back. He keeps his tail up higher. And their head, when they're working, is at a vertical.
Oh.
And their trot is more like up and down, like a sewing machine.
Oh.
So they each have different purposes. But the saddlebreds were known for, you know, the fancy trotting and riding and saddles, and you had to have the most beautiful horse. So they were known, like, for the wealthy.
Oh, okay.
And Trakehners, this is a dressage horse.
Mhm.
And we just started working with the natural horsemanship.
He's taking his nose?
Yep, he's got his itchy. He gets lots of boo-boos, so that's boo-boo medicine. But we're going to do a side pass. And
Okay.
again, I just started this with him with the natural horsemanship.
Uh-huh.
But because of dressage, come on, come on. See, I need to release the...
Oh, wow. So you got him walking to the side.
Okay, come on, buddy. Come on, this way. This way. This way, come on. Come on, a little faster.
And they're so kind the way they are.
Well, some aren't.
Oh.
Some aren't. Come on, you can do better.
So you actually train them like that for people?
Yeah, you need to be I mean, I don't want it to sound silly, but become one with the horse. The stick doesn't hurt him. It's an extension of my arm.
Uh-huh.
So that I can communicate with him without, so that I can communicate with him with my horses. Come on, go faster. There you go. But, you know, for a boy that just learned this, come here. Come here. Come here.
That is so sweet.
Come here. But it's not going to take that much pressure, that much energy. Okay, look at that. That's Cuddy, the Trakehner.
The container,
My
okay.
newest addition. So, we will go into the barn. And
All right.
I'll show you my #1 grooming trick I've been using for about 20 years. And it's the cheapest thing you could ever do.